Be still before the Lord, and wait patiently for him. Do not fret when men succeed in their ways, when they carry out their wicked schemes. Psalm 37, verse 7.
Man, I can't wait till the train gets here. It's going to be so awesome.
Yeah, I can't wait either. I'm so excited.
What time is it going to get here again?
Well, according to this, the train get here any time. And there'll be other trains before, but we just have to let them pass. We should know the train when it gets here, because by the conductor.
This train is taking forever.
I know, right? What's going on?
Now arriving on platform 1, financial security.
If I get on this train, I'll give me a big house, nice cars. This is the train for me. See you guys.
Guys, come on, don't go. It's not the right train. Come on, don't go. Don't go.
On aboard! That is so sad. All those guys care about is money. Like a big house and a nice car is what life's all about. I'm waiting for something better.
Yeah, I think they really got on the wrong train.
This train is really taking a long time.
Yo, seriously, what the heck?
Now arriving on platform 1, popularity.
Dang, that train looks really fun.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Guys, come on, don't go. It's not the right train. It's not the right conductor, man. It's not the right train.
On aboard!
They're so stupid. What are they doing?
No, they're not stupid. They just didn't know what train to take. We should have taught them better. You guys are going to wait with me, right? Yeah.
Wow, this train is taking so long!
Just be patient.
Now arriving on platform 1, girls. Now arriving on platform 1, boys.
Put your number on his tape. Yeah, we doing big head, man. Spin the G. Check it out now. Big head, man. On BLAD. We doing. Hey, ladies.
Man, this is insane. Why doesn't anyone have any patience?
Don't worry, Wayne. We're with you.
Now arriving on platform 1, works. Comfort.
Wow, look at that train. It has everything for me. I don't need to do anything. I could be lazy all day. Hey, look, there's a rich guy on the train. He'll be my ticket. Hey, how you doing?
Guys, it's not the right train. You said you'd wait with me to the end. Come on, guys, don't go.
On aboard!
Now leaving comfort.
And there aren't many of us left. You guys are really going to stay with me to the end, right?
Yeah, Wayne, we're here.
Now arriving on platform 1, comfort. Works. Works.
Hey, it says here we can take this train to serve people. We could build houses for the homeless and feed the hungry. This one has to be it.
No, I really don't think this is the right train, guys. I think we should really just wait.
Come on, Wayne. This ain't a selfish train like all the other ones. If we can help people and do good deeds, I don't want this one, man.
Yeah. Plus, if this is the right train, I mean, wait. If this isn't the right train, we'll be back before the right train gets here anyway. Who knows? It may never even come.
I'm with it.
No, but it's the same conductor as all the other trains. We have to wait for the train. The train can't go far enough without the right conductor. Guys, you said you'd wait to meet.
All aboard!
You can't go far enough. Come on, guys. It's not the right train. It's not the right train.
Burning over me, Jesus, your hope is hard and painful.
Wait for the Lord. Be strong and take heart, and wait for the Lord. Psalm 27, verse 14.